Let us see second stanza. Be a friend, you don't need glory. You have to become a good friend. Be friend means become a good friend of someone. You don't need glory. If you want to become a good friend, no need to become famous. Glory means famous. Friendship is a simple story. Friendship, it is a simple story. It's a story. The poet is going to say use the word story to the friendship. Pass by trifling errors blindly. You have to avoid his errors, means mistakes. Avoid his mistakes or keep blind his mistakes. You gaze on honest effort kindly. You have to gaze on. Gaze on means look in admiration on honestly, effort kindly. You have to admire his work. Those good work is good of your friends. You have to admire. Admire it honestly. Show kind. Show your efforts with your friends. Cheer the youth who is bravely trying. Cheer the youth who is bravely trying. You have to cheer up your friend who is showing his braveness, his stride. Pity him who is sadly sighing. You have to show pity, show kindness to who is sad. Sighing. Sighing means deep breath, expressing sadness. Sighing means deep breath, expressing sadness. You have to show your kindness, pity to who is sad. Sighing. Just a little labor spent. Means just you have to do it only little work. Spend time with him. On the duties of a friend. It is the duty of your friend. You want to become friend, show your duty. Show the kindness when he was sad. You have to cheer your friend. You have to make or motivate your friend to do work. Admire his work. You who is taking more effort, you should admire. You should admire honestly. Avoid his mistakes. Blindly avoid his mistakes. These are the duties of a friend. Is it? These are the new words. Disposition means nature. Unbefriended meaning is here someone who has no friends. Trifling, unimportant means avoid, ignore. I am going to turn the page. Last stanza we are going to see. Be a friend, the pay is bigger. Means you have to become a good friend. Need not to pay bigger. Means you do not have to pay money. Though not written by a figure. You can write, did not write the money in figure. Than is earned by people cleverly. Clever. You have to earn your friendship. Earn means to gain. Earn means gain. You have to earn your friend by who is earning the friendship? Who is gaining the friendship by clever people. Those people are clever, they are earning the friends. In what is merrily? Means merrily means here only you have to self endeavor. You have to show your a sincere attempt, a sincere effort. You have to show your effort with your friends. Help him, motivate. Efforts means here help, motivate for something, or someone is doing work, you have to help your friend or motivate him for doing something for a special work. Okay, student? You shall have friendship instead of neighbors. Means you shall have friends. You have to make a friends instead of neighbors. Means you have to make friendship with your neighbors. For the profits of your labors. Means profits means you have to get the benefit of your labors. Profit means here benefit. Means you have to get the benefits of your work. Labor means your work, effort expended. You shall be richer in the end. At the end means you will understand, you will be the richer. Those friends you are helping during their time, they will definitely, certainly help your situation or in the condition. And after that you realize you shall be richer in the end. That is the meaning. You will realize we are the richer in that world than a prince. If you are a friend, you will realize you are the richer like a prince, or than a prince, or a royal people. Than the royal people, you will become a richer. If you are a friend, if you have a friend, you will become richer than a prince. Did you understand? So, see this poem carefully and write this poem in your notebook.